The 10 main reasons why you should use Facebook Messenger bot marketing. If you're still not convinced why you should buy a Facebook Messenger bot or subscribe to a platform to take advantage of this technology, here are 10 quick reasons why you should do so. Reason number 1, you can qualify your traffic. When people ask questions, you can use these questions to filter people based on their probability of buying something. You can also conduct your messaging affairs on Facebook in a more targeted way because you know at the end of the day, you're trying to drive them to your Facebook Messenger chatbot. Reason number 2, you can subscribe from a wide range of Facebook sub-features. By simply calling people to action to check your profile, you can instantly subscribe people from many different places on Facebook. You can also subscribe people from many places outside of Facebook. How? Well, you can link directly to your business's Facebook Messenger URL, and when they get to your Facebook Messenger, your chatbot kicks in and automates the engagement. Reason number 3, you can pair Facebook Messenger marketing with the classic online sales funnel. Since you know that your prospects will be reaching out to you, you can then set up different conditions for your Facebook chatbot. If the prospect says certain words, the bot sends out a specific message. You can then chart all of this and optimize it until it leads to more conversions or a much happier customer. Reason number 4, Facebook Messenger chatbots are automated and cheap. The great thing about using a chatbot is you don't have to hire somebody in America, India, or the Philippines. The software does all this automatically. Basically, it acts as an intake disk. And then, based on the responses of the prospect, they will then get more specific messages. This drops your customer support and sales support costs dramatically. Also, unlike human beings who get sick, tired, or want to form a union, software runs 24/7 without complaint. The bottom line is you can set up an automated conversion system and make money while you sleep. Reason number 5, less spammy than other methods. This is my favorite reason, to be honest. Facebook Messenger is inbound. The engagement doesn't happen when you send out a bot and it grabs somebody and you talk to them. No. You basically wait until somebody tells you and then you send them a message +1 after 24 hours. This means that the customer takes the lead. They don't feel that they are put upon. They don't feel that you are invading their space. You then craft the interaction so that it's built around their needs and you have yourself a golden sales opportunity. Reason number 6, Facebook Messenger has an 80% open rate. Imagine that, an 80% open rate. Compare that with a much lower open rate for email and a much lower click rate for search engine traffic. There's no comparison. Interestingly enough, given how immediate Messenger traffic is, it can lead to much better results compared to email. Email is already eating search engine traffic for lunch year after year. If you set up your Facebook Messenger chatbot into actions correctly, your conversion rate might even blow email conversions out of the water. Reason number 7, Facebook Messenger enables you to create automated conversations you can fine-tune. The great thing about the conversations you get with your customers on Facebook Messenger is you build up a database. You can look for certain words that keep coming up again and again, and you can fine-tune the answers that you give out immediately. At first, your chatbot is probably going to be a little bit clunky because it can't anticipate all questions. But once you see the patterns and you connect the dots, you come up with better scripts, and this leads to happier customers. Eventually, you can automate all of this using big data analysis. Reason number 8, responsiveness helps you build a solid online brand. Make no mistake, if you're trying to make money on the internet, you're in for a tough fight. You have other competitors out there, and they're doing all sorts of things and saying all sorts of things to build a solid brand. But at the end of the day, if they take forever to answer inquiries and you are able to give prospects the answers they need, your brand comes out on top. This initial interaction may not lead to a sale, but since you establish yourself as something more credible and more helpful, you can bet that this positions you for future potential sales. You end up getting a competitive advantage, and you may leave your competitors behind. Reason number 9, you can share content that can go viral on Facebook Messenger. Please understand that you can use Facebook Messenger chatbots not just to send answers to certain questions your prospects have. They can reach out to your messenger and you can send them an article or a blog post you produced. This can serve as resources. They might like it so much that they might share it on their Facebook wall. This is actually a form of guerrilla marketing or a backdoor avenue for free Facebook traffic. The more they share, the more likely your content would go viral. Reason number 10, Your competitors haven't fully gotten on the Facebook Messenger bandwagon. Facebook Messenger chatbots are relatively new. It's only been in the past 2 years that Facebook opened up their platform. Currently, this is virgin territory. It's not saturated yet. But guess what? Competition's beginning to pile up. As of now, there's already 300,000 chatbots. Expect that number to reach into the millions sooner rather than later. Given the tremendous amount of people on Facebook, this is a tremendous opportunity. Take this opportunity. Take this training. Use the resource and cheat sheet included in this training so you can get the Facebook marketing competitive advantage you've been looking for.